This is the Zuru Max Retro Collection. It's one of the Retro Collection, and as we can see on the ball here, this includes the television, the Polaroid camera, a rotary telephone, an arcade machine, a boombox, and a classic Mac. On the other side here, we can see this particular unit contains a classic Mac, and this item was a gift from my brother this Christmas. As you can see, I'm in an unusual filming location, and that's because I am away for the holidays, but I wanted to show this to everyone right away. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, so as you can see, we have several bags of parts, all in this lovely beige computer colour, and there's a little instruction book which will walk us through assembling the entire item. So I think that's what we should go ahead and get started with next. there we have it, our classic little mini retro Mac. So it's really neat that it's got this attached little mouse and a little keyboard, and you've got a nice screen in the center, and they've even bowed it slightly, just like you would have on a real CRT. There's a little hand rule grip here area that you'd have on a real classic Mac. And there's a nice little clear piece here that allows us to see floppy disk activity if we had a floppy disk in the drive. And I think that's what's supposed to be peeking out in that little dark area just there. So I think this is a really neat little kit, and I really appreciate that my brother got this for me. I think it's going to look absolutely fabulous on my shelf of toys that I have at my office, and I think this is a really nice little project for everyone to complete. I think the problem I'm going to have now is I'm definitely going to want to go back and see if I can get some of the other retro parts in these collection here to add to my little display. But for now, I hope you found this video of the assembly of the Zuru Max Retro Collection Mini Mac interesting, and I hope to speak to you again soon in the next video.